Hi, I'm Varsha Chulani, clinical psychologist and psychotherapist, Lilavati Hospital, Mumbai. When one is afflicted with something like cancer, it scares most of us, especially for women where breast cancer is unfortunately on the rise. It is important for us to be able to emotionally cope with the challenges that the cancer has unfortunately caused. Whether it's chemotherapy and us having very adverse side effects due to it, or whether it's mastectomy and some of us having to actually remove our breasts. It is important that your emotional ability to be able to cope with such a challenging condition is in place. And when I say in place, what do I mean? First, accept the unfortunate truth. And when I say accept, I do not mean acceptance as resignation. When I accept that I have an unfortunate condition, in this case breast cancer, a lot of my emotional energy then gets saved for me to be able to use it to face the trying circumstances of chemo and other kind of treatments that I get subjected to. Acceptance leads to empowerment. 2. Do not define yourself by your breasts. A lot of women, when especially they undergo mastectomy, are people who believe that they've stopped being women because now they don't have a significant part which has distinguished them as women. Yes, I understand that breast is something that all women identify with, but you have to have a perspective that the reason you have unfortunately lost it is because you have your life which is at stake. Now, we have to ask, what would we rather lose? Would we rather lose our lives, or would we rather lose a part of an anatomy which in some way or the other has played its part but is now no more a part of us? So a big facet of managing mastectomy is not identifying yourself with only one facet of anatomy. And what do I mean by that? That we are much more than just simply our breasts. And if we can embrace that idea, that what makes us women are other facets which cannot be captured actually on a camera, our softness, our gentleness, our feminineness, our ability to emote, to connect, to love, to be compassionate. I think if we keep that on the forefront, this loss, however difficult, will be far easily borne.